M0FXB, let's send photographs using our FTM400 to FT5D. And let's use the program, the free programming software by SP4UBW. First thing, let's get our SD card ready. M0FXB, let's get our SD card into our YAESU FTM400 so we can save backups and send photographs. So put your SD card into an adapter and plug it into your PC and then format it. Then add it to your FTM400, make sure you get it the right way up, and go back to your radio once you've put the SD card in. So back to the radio, hold down DISP, turn or tap SD card, and what you want to do is hit format, and at the end of that it will say complete. If it comes back with an error, chances are you need to format your SD card again, or even change your SD card. You can buy these very inexpensively. If you buy something like an 8 GB SD card, which is plenty room that you need. But anyway, once you've formatted it, you're now ready to add any files. So now you can select backup as well, back it up at least once, and now you'll have all the files on your FTM400. Next thing, plug it into your PC. Just make sure you've got all those files. So it's plugged into my PC with the USB adapter. Go to your file explorer and you'll see here, look, USB drive, click it. And these are the files that you're going to need. They look like this. And now I recommend you add this file or this program by Darius, SP4UBW, for transferring photographs to your SD card, which you can then put back into your radio and send photographs from radio to radio. So I'll put a link in for the download on this, and thanks to Darius. So we'll be doing another video showing us transferring photographs. Bye for now. Now we've got our SD card plugged into our adapter and into the laptop or PC. We've run the program. I've provided the link for you. Very simple program. So remember that once you've got the program, you will need to drag it into your file, into your USB drive or your SD card file. So just get it. You can either copy and paste it or drag it into the USB drive where the SD card is. So just like so. So that when you do look at the USB drive, you will see the program within that, and then open the program within your SD card. So double click now and we'll open the program. So there's the program there. Now I'll show you how to transfer. So all you do is find a picture, like so, open, let's find a photograph, lots of photographs here. So click open picture, double click a photograph. You can even add a logo, like so. You can choose the logo by clicking open again. Just put the same one for now. So we've got the logo there, the main photograph, and you can change. You can zoom in and reset and zoom out. There's all different options here. You can add, text over the top, which we've just put down here. Let's change the color. See if we can do it. There you are. You can add text. Pretty sure you can move that around as well. Yeah, just by changing these numbers here, like so. You get the idea. You've got overlay 2 and overlay 1. We click 2. Let me know why there's 2, Darius. You'll know. So we can add more pictures. Once you're happy with the photograph that you're going to send, click Save Picture to SD card. So it's now been put into the right file and the right format in our SD card. And what's this style here as well? Look, bold. That's for the letters, look. Now overlay text 2, does that just mean you can have 2 lots of overlay? Let's change the color. It says here red. Yeah, so I'm still curious about that. But anyway, once you've done that, you can now remove the SD card and we'll put it into the FT5D and we'll put it in the FTM400 and send it to the FT5D, and then we'll probably do it backwards. Okay, let's get both radios into group mode. So on the 400, press GM. Remember, they've both got SD cards in now. And on the FT5, GM as well. So you're in GM mode, group mode, and they should recognize each other and start to populate with these squares. And now we're going to push log down here. Like so. And let's click new. And that will be a message, but we want to send a photograph. So to send a photograph, that you're on message now, tap here at the bottom, and then tap here, and that's the name, that's what I've named the photograph. I named it ID51, tap it, and on the FTM400 it will show you the photograph, and then we're going to forward it. And let's click all. It's now sending. You can see that the FT5 is waiting for it. I think it takes a good minute or so. There you are, and it's now received the photo, and we can save that on our FT5, like so. Complete. Let's try and reply. So that was a successful send. So we'll click OK. We'll select a different photograph. Then we'll go reply. No, that one. Let's do forward then. All. And click OK. With a bit of luck, it's going the other way now. Let's give it a minute and see. The final thing here to say send. No, it's doing that because we got the TX on, haven't we? So it's definitely sending it. Right, we had a beep from the FTM400, and there's the photograph that came from the FT5 to the FT400. So great fun. And yeah, hopefully you'll be able to use the program from Darius, SP4UBW 73. Bye for now. All the best.